So haven't made a video on my keyboard for a while, and don't worry, I didn't forget about our keyboard journey. You know, this is this rabbit hole is gonna go deep, so we'll find out more. I ordered a few things, and let's start with the first thing, which are these O-rings. Now, what do you do with this? It really depends. So a lot of people, if you don't type very hard, let me open up a notepad. So let's say if you don't type very hard, then this is how it's going to sound, right? But if you are heavy typist, then you have this. So yeah, my desk is not too solid, so yeah, the camera was shaking. So this will help if you're a particularly heavy typer. It's just a bunch of rubber O-rings, and so what you do is that you pick up these keycaps and just slide them over the stems. So what will happen is that yeah, just however you do it, it doesn't matter as long as it stays on. Once you install it, it will create a gap and try to maintain a gap between the key cap with the stem. Doing this will happen. So no matter how hard you push it, the rubber will soften the impact. So let me install a couple more of these, and then we'll do another sound test. Okay. And you don't have to do it to all of them. Alright, so this pack is like 120 of them, and I only used 20. And so it's all installed to the letters. Let's go back and do another test. See how it sounds like. Nope, there's no change in WPM, but Sounds a little bit softer, I guess. I think it sounds a little softer. Let's try one more time. Okay, so that's the first part of how deep this rabbit hole goes series with mechanical keyboards. Hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think, and I'll see you next time.